Good morning. I'm Dr. Ashwin Shah and I'm a practicing pediatric dentist. I think I've been in Matunga for more than 20 years now, and we deal with kids up to the age of 18 years. And during this time, probably I met the founders of Neva International School and had an opportunity to visit their preschool. And it was a wonderful, not wonderful only, but I think it was a completely different experience. Because what I've been seeing with children for the past 20 years is a lot of children getting aggressive, and a lot of children who parents, not more than children, it's parents who want more and more and more and more for the children, which without thinking whether the child is grounded. Now this preschool, when I visited, with a pleasant surprise, I saw that it does not deal with making children only intelligent. What we look at is an IQ of a child always when we want to see how intelligent the child is. But it's not that. This preschool focuses on the child's emotional, spiritual, and a complete holistic approach as emotional, spiritual quotient. And it really builds up a child completely, which a mother would look forward to. It's a completely different concept-based preschool. The USP of this school is probably the curriculum which it focuses on. It builds up a child looking to today's time by providing education from various boards, that are traditional boards like our SSC or our state boards, and even ICSE, CBSE, IB boards, etc. It has picked up such a wonderful curriculum for the child. What surprised me the most was introduction to Sanskrit language. Sanskrit is a language which is considered to be the mother of most of the languages across the world, not only India. Even I think so many computer freaks would be knowing that Sanskrit is a basis, or would be the basis for a binary language which is supposed to help you learn binary codes for computers also. Third thing which surprised me was, without the staff, they managed to keep the school spick and span in a mother's language and in probably a doctor's language, absolutely sanitized and hygienic even in this point of time. It's such a safe place for kids to be. I think once the pandemic opens, kids would be really looking forward to running off to schools and meeting their peers and playing with them, mingling with them. I think this school is going to be really safe for your kids. And the last thing which I would want to say is, like a pediatric dentist, we have a concept of pediatric treatment triangle, wherein the complete approach to a child's treatment is based on 3 points, that is the doctor, the parent and the child. In the same way, I think this school has a ESP of not teaching the child, but building up a child by taking parents completely, not only into confidence, but making the parent a part of the growing up of the child from the school. So it's a child, parent and the teacher influence completely which builds up the child. It's a wonderful approach, and I think this school is going to go a long way. Thank you.